Alright, hey there everyone, KCR Jones here, and if you didn't hear, I bought a Lionel Boston and Maine 1455. If you didn't know, I'm actually one of the people who helped restore the real one in cosmetic appearance, of course. But something was up with the tender on this one. I mean, granted, the engine doesn't have the bell, it's missing the yoke. It did come with the bell in the box, but the yoke is completely gone, but that doesn't really bother me. I'm just going to show it like this on the workbench. I did all of this. I want to point this out. All of what you're seeing here is what I have done. This axle was out of gauge. It was not riding properly. Every time it went by, it made this sound where it sounded flat, and I realized that the tender was actually riding lopsided. I'll put up some footage of it before, and you'll see it was kind of angled down a little bit. You can see I kind of greased up the wheel previously, thinking that would kind of fix it, because I thought it was a stiff journal or something, but no, I actually had to widen the gauge on this. But I just wanted to show, for a little Mogul, I had to do a lot of work on this. So the tender came off easy. That was 4 screws. There's the speaker, this here. I had to move the whole sound card and everything, all the processors out of the way, which was 2 screws there, to get access to this, the bolster, and then take the side frame off. I also had to take the chain off as well. That was a little more difficult than I thought. This thing has little chains on it, and that is the mount when I'm done. The next shot you'll see, though, is it back together and up and running, but I was just like, this was a lot of work for one little engine. And also, holy crap, I was lucky to open this when I did. There was a 2009, it doesn't want to work. There we go, 2009 battery. It's starting to implode back there. So I'm glad that I saved this before anything might have corroded onto the boards or whatnot. Again, I'm just gonna put this back together. You'll see it running again, but man, I had to do a lot of work just to get this side frame off. Alright, well, I went ahead and did it. This chain right here, this freaking chain, caused me like a whole hour to get it back on the hook. That was way too much work for me to do on like my day off. I was going to put custom figures in here. I'm not sure well you can see that, but there's 2 screws here and there holding the cab together, and I'm sure there's one underneath the roof here or somewhere, but I could not find the screws to take this thing apart. And after what I did here, you know, I'm not even going to bother with that today. You could always wrench the figures out, but you can damage the model. I mean, you'll destroy the figures, but you'll damage the model in the process, so it's just easier to take it apart. This is a little piece of fuzz right there, but I got it all fine. The wheel rides a lot better now. She runs a little smoother too. I greased her up. You can see a little residue, but yeah, I mean, this is about it. It's gonna be a dumb video, like 10 people are gonna watch, but you know what? I feel it's worth it. So again, this was like tender repair for B&M 1455. Glad I got it working though. But we got the green signal, and we'll be on our way. So you all take care. Stay safe until the next video, guys. Make sure to leave a comment if you have any feedback. And yeah, stay tuned.